Hi, welcome back to another video. Now today I've got a bit of organising to do before we can kick off with that side of the floor. I'll maybe do a little bit of a mini tour around my property in the garden just to bring all those new subscribers and viewers up to speed with the project. But first I've got to move these doors. It's a lovely day out, the sun's up. Yep, let's get this video started. Previous video we got this section here nicely tiled in. It's looking rather splendid now. We've done the acoustic tiles across the front. That's the next area. So we'll clear that out and get that area prepped up, ready for tiling. Now behind all these doors is a little cubby hole in the wall. Now I'm keen to utilise it, maybe put a little door on there. Forget what the dimensions are, but once we get there I'll have a measure up and see what we got. That's a nice panel. I'm going to use that in the kitchen. Yeah, put it to one side for now. And away. Quite a lot of levelling off to do. I've also got to do the same this side as I did the other side. Got to repair the base of that wall. Yep, so all this has got to be cleaned up and prepared as well. So we're just getting the base of this prepped up, ready to point. It's quite a low spot here, so we'll have to build it up. But for now we're just concentrating on getting this pointed up and we can bring our gravel over in preparedness for the tiles. While I get this done, Tom, why don't you give everyone a little tour around the property to give the new viewers an oversight.
So as Sean gets on with his work in the cottage, let's get this quick property tour underway. So we have the main house,
which is built from traditional granite and has a terracotta tiled roof. It was originally 2 cottages that were knocked through into one. The property dates back to the early 1700s. Then we have this first cottage, which is formerly a dwelling, but more recently was used as a hay barn. You can tell by the dormer window in the roof. Then of course we have the middle cottage. This is where Sean is currently working. This cottage has required quite a lot of structural rebuilding over the years. Then we have the third cottage, which is currently used for storage, but there are future plans to turn it into a workshop. Recently, the roof has required some attention. The cottages sit on an acre plot of land of the beautiful Norman countryside.
it's very quiet. We're in the middle of beautiful fields surrounded by trees, and the closest neighbours are probably the cows.
The house itself has 3 bedrooms, a living room and a nice kitchen. There's a bathroom upstairs and a shower room downstairs. This is the living room that we chill out in after a hard day's work. So that's it for the property tour. Now let's check back in with Sean.
So, how did Tom do the property tour? Did he do well? I'm sure he did. He used to be an estate agent. We've pointed up the base of this wall here. Most of it will be hidden with the gravel once it gets levelled off. So we're going to let that set, strike it in with a brush, and then we're ready to go with the gravel. Well, that is looking much better. All nicely pointed up now, ready to take the gravel for the floor. There's that little cubby hole that I was on about. It's got some foam plugged in there at the moment, but it does go back quite some depth. I was thinking about putting a little door on there. What do you think? Okay,
Yeah, I've got an urgent delivery for you.
we're done for the day. Let's raise a little glass.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
Right, cheers.
Cheers, everyone.
Yeah,
Yeah, bon santé.
that's what I've done, Tom.
Oh wow,
Coming along, eh?
really good. Yeah.
All the floor, middle section is all down now.
yeah, it'll be really good once you finish that section as well with the symmetry of the other side.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
it will certainly tie off the area, won't it?
Cheers, mate. We
Cheers.
are officially christening the cottage. Work in progress. No, seriously, this is the first drink we've ever had in it, isn't it?
it is. Yeah.
So sometimes, you know, it's good to do these things.
Yeah, take stock of everything. And,
Definitely.
yeah, you're doing really well, mate.
Yeah,
It's
thanks.
coming on. I mean, it's years in the progress, isn't it? Or at least a year.
Yeah.
I haven't been keeping track exactly, but it's a lot of work that you've put in, a lot of blood, sweat and tears, as they say. And yeah, it's getting there, isn't it?
We are
It's
getting there
looking good.
now. It's stuff that I'm doing now can be easily seen, whereas before, when I was doing foundations and walls and pointing, you know, it's a long slog. But
Structural stuff, you know, it's
structurally,
it's essential, but it's
structurally, this place really was teetering on the edge. You know, I think if like a game of Kaplunk, you pulled one of the wrong things out, I think it could have had a knock-on effect, literally, with lots of other stuff. But we're over all that now.
Well, are we completely out of the woods with the beam and the supports?
Yeah. We've got those posts, haven't we?
Yeah, we've got the posts.
In the coming video, me and Tom are going to be fitting those posts. That will be a welcome relief, actually. I mean, I've got used to the acros being there, but once those posts are in, then structurally everything is pretty sound. You know, you never know until you delve deep into these places. They can hold a lot of hidden surprises.
Yeah.
But it's all part of the journey.
Keeps it
anyway.
interesting.
Yeah, definitely. But thanks to all that watch, you know, you really have helped me get to this stage. I can't emphasise it enough.
Yeah.
So this is to you as well. Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving as well.
Yep. Happy belated Thanksgiving.
Yeah.